Today, in about 3 minutes and with just 3 steps, I'm going to show you how to completely break down that wall and upgrade it into a true cloud brain that you can access from anywhere. Now, you're probably thinking about security, right? Am I just exposing my entire home network to the internet? And that's a great question. The beauty of Ngrok is that instead of punching a hole in your firewall with port forwarding, it creates an encrypted reverse tunnel, which is a much more secure approach. All right, let's get this built. Step 1 is authentication. We'll grab our unique auth token from the Ngrok dashboard. This token basically authorizes our tunnel. Step 2 is deployment. We'll install the Ngrok add-on in Home Assistant. Paste in the token and fire it up. As you can see, the logs show a successful connection to the Ngrok cloud. At this point, everything looks green. You'd expect this URL to just work, right? But when we hit the URL, we get a 400 bad request. Now, this is the critical part that trips up almost everyone, including me. Your first instinct might be to blame Ngrok or the network, but this error isn't coming from them. This is a deliberate rejection from Home Assistant itself, and there's a very specific security-related reason for it. So let's break down what's happening. For security reasons, Home Assistant inspects the host header of every incoming request. When you access the Ngrok URL, your browser tells Home Assistant, "I want to connect to this website." Home Assistant receives this, sees a domain it doesn't recognize, and rejects the connection to prevent a security vulnerability known as a DNS rebinding attack. Essentially, Home Assistant is functioning correctly by being overly cautious. The problem is, we haven't told it to trust the Ngrok proxy yet. The fix then is straightforward. Step 3 is authentication. We need to go into our configuration.yaml and, under the HTTP integration, add these 2 parameters. This configuration explicitly tells Home Assistant any request that comes from the Ngrok add-on's proxy is considered secure and should be trusted. We'll save that and give Home Assistant a quick restart. Now let's try that same URL one more time. And there it is, a perfect connection. We've successfully established a secure, trusted remote access tunnel. This is the moment your setup graduates from just being a cool hobby into a reliable digital asset that actually serves your life.